Yes, good morning, my viewers. Who watches this channel, subscribing to it also. I just want to start off, you guys. Yesterday, well, this pen is a two-story pen, and I decided to divide the board in two. I had the top pen available space. I can show you guys in the video. Well, so video this bottom flat right now. I have four. One inside this pen here at the bottom flat. Check them out. See lots of space. I divided pen up now. The bottom here. Take a look of them. Those sticking corners so far I'm gonna be laying them here again. Yes guys, I'll be showing you guys upstairs flat in a few minutes.